Struggling with a tiny kitchen and running out of space? Don't worry, today I'm sharing 25 of the best Amazon kitchen organization and storage finds that will completely transform your kitchen. From expandable cabinet organizers, pull-out drawers, and airtight food containers to stylish spice racks, fruit baskets, and sink caddies, these space-saving must-haves will help you keep every corner neat, tidy, and functional. Whether it's your pantry, countertop, or fridge, these affordable Amazon finds are perfect to maximize your space and make your kitchen look stunning. Welcome back to my channel. Now, let's start today's video. Number 1. Expandable Kitchen Cabinet Organizer. Bring natural beauty and smart organization to your kitchen with this expandable bamboo food container lid organizer. Made from 100% solid bamboo, it's built to last and look stunning in any space. With adjustable dividers and an expandable design, it fits perfectly in your drawers or cabinets. Plus, it's slip-free, easy to carry, and versatile enough to organize everything, from lids to makeup or office supplies. Number 2. Egg Container for Refrigerator. Keep your eggs fresh, visible, and perfectly organized with this clear double-layer egg container for your refrigerator. Its transparent design lets you instantly see how many eggs you have left, while the built-in time memory scale helps you track freshness with ease. The durable BPA-free material, smooth sliding drawers, and easy grip handle make it simple to store, stack, and save space in your fridge. Stylish, sturdy, and smart. Number 3. KDSKSC Tin Foil Organizer. Keep your kitchen drawers neat and clutter-free with this 3-in-1 wrap dispenser from KDSKSC. Made with sturdy Class A acrylic and a sleek transparent design, it adds both style and function to your space. The smooth glide cutter makes it easy to pull and trim plastic wrap, foil, or parchment paper without any mess. It's compatible with most thin rolls up to 12 inches and even comes with free label stickers for easy identification. Simple, practical, and beautifully built for everyday use. Number 4. Must-On to Pack Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Transform your cabinets with the Must-On Pull-Out Organizer set. Made from heavy-duty carbon steel, these slide-out drawers are built to last and glide smoothly with a quiet, wide damping rail. Each drawer fits perfectly into 21.8-inch deep cabinets, helping you use every inch of space efficiently. Choose between strong 3M adhesive strips or secure drilling for installation. Ideal for pots, pans, and kitchen essentials, this organizer keeps everything within easy reach and makes your cabinets look clean and modern. Number 5. Lanyanji 3-Tier 4 Rattan Fruit Basket. Add a touch of natural charm to your kitchen or dining area with this 3-Tier 4 Rattan Fruit Basket from Lanyanji. Hand-woven with durable, high-quality materials, it combines beauty with strength for everyday use. The foldable design saves space and makes it easy to move or store when needed. Its hollow structure allows air to circulate, keeping fruits and vegetables fresh. Number 6. PMasto Adhesive Acrylic Spice Rack Organizer. Keep your spices neatly organized and always within reach with the PMasto Clear Acrylic Spice Rack. Made from thick, durable acrylic, it offers a modern and transparent look that fits any kitchen style. You can install it easily with strong adhesive tape or traditional screws, no tools required. The removable end caps make adding or removing jars simple and secure. Sleek, sturdy, and easy to clean, this spice rack is a smart way to keep your kitchen tidy and stylish. Number 7. Mr. Siga 6-Piece Airtight Food Storage Container Set. Keep your pantry fresh, clean, and beautifully organized with the Mr. Siga Airtight Food Storage Container Set. These BPA-free, food-grade containers lock out air and moisture with an easy one-hand squeeze to open lid. Perfect for storing cereal, pasta, nuts, and snacks, each clear container lets you see what's inside at a glance. The stackable design saves space and keeps your shelves neat and tidy. Smart, stylish, and durable, Mr. Siga makes kitchen organization simple and satisfying. Number 8. Hymas Food Storage Bag Organizer. Meet the Hymas 4-in-1 Food Storage Bag Organizer, a smart way to sort and store all your kitchen bags in one place. With one large slot for gallon bags and 3 smaller sections for quart, sandwich, and snack sizes, it's designed for effortless organization. The BPA-free, durable plastic body with a clear acrylic lid looks sleek and wipes clean in seconds. Refilling is simple, just lift the lid and load. It even comes with labels and wall hooks for quick, tool-free setup. Number 9. Comsaaf Glass Spaghetti Pasta Storage Containers. These tall glass storage jars from Comsaaf add both beauty and function to your kitchen. Each airtight jar features a bamboo lid with a silicone seal that keeps your pasta, noodles, or grains perfectly fresh. The clear glass design lets you see contents at a glance, making pantry organization simple and stylish. With their wide openings, the jars are easy to fill and clean, ideal for everyday use. Number 10. Oroyoto Oak Wood Lazy Susan Organizer. Transform your space with this elegant oak wood rotating tray, a perfect blend of beauty and function. Use it anywhere as a kitchen organizer, bathroom vanity tray, or stylish centerpiece for your dining table. Its 360 degrees smooth rotation and non-slip base make access easy and safe, while the raised edges keep everything securely in place. The oak wood grain and iron mesh design bring a timeless, rustic charm to any decor. Number 11. Meghalaya 3-tier Gold Fruit Ball. Transform your space with this elegant oak wood rotating tray, a perfect blend of beauty and function. Use it anywhere as a kitchen organizer, bathroom vanity tray, or stylish centerpiece for your dining table. Its 360 degrees smooth rotation and non-slip base make access easy and safe, while the raised edges keep everything securely in place. Number 12. Anoak Shelf Liner Cabinet Liner. Upgrade your home with this multi-purpose non-slip shelf liner, designed for both protection and style. Its raised striped surface keeps dishes and glassware steady, while the grip-enhancing base stays firmly in place without any sticky residue. Made from food-grade EVA material, it's safe for your fridge, drawers, or pantry. You can cut and customize it to fit any space, and cleaning is effortless. Just wipe or rinse and reuse. Perfect for kitchens, cabinets, and more, this liner is a must-have for every organized home. Number 13. Comsaaf 12 pieces Glass Spice Jars and Spoons. Upgrade your kitchen organization with these Comsaaf airtight glass spice jars. Made from food-grade borosilicate glass with a bamboo lid and silicone seal, they keep your spices fresh and flavorful. Each jar features a built-in spoon for easy scooping, saving time while cooking. Perfect for spices, teas, nuts, or even craft supplies, these jars combine function and elegance. The set includes 12 jars, waterproof labels, and over 180 pre-printed stickers, everything you need for a neat, stylish, and organized kitchen. Number 14. Cook with Color Glass Olive Oil Bottle Dispenser. Bring style and functionality to your kitchen with these elegant colored glass oil bottles. Designed with a textured surface for a secure, easy grip and auto-flip spouts for precise, drip-free pouring, they make cooking effortless and clean. Each bottle holds up to 500 milliliters of your favorite oils or vinegars, and the sturdy gold wire rack keeps them perfectly organized. With thick, durable glass and premium design, these dispensers add both beauty and convenience to your kitchen setup. These elegant glass oil bottles add a stylish touch to any kitchen while keeping your cooking neat and easy. Number 15. Made Smart Silverware Tray. Keep your kitchen neat and organized with this clear silverware and utensil tray. Designed with 6 spacious compartments and branded icons, it makes sorting your cutlery quick and easy. The soft grip lining and non-slip rubber feet keep everything securely in place, even when drawers slide open and close. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic with smooth rounded corners, it's built for daily use and easy cleaning. Sleek, sturdy, and space-saving, it's the perfect organizer for any modern kitchen. Number 16. Bingo Hive Rolling Soda Can Organizer. This gravity sliding soda can organizer brings convenience and order to your fridge. It holds up to 10 cans and fits both standard and skinny sizes with ease. The tilted design lets each can roll forward automatically, making access quick and efficient while following the first in, first out rule. Crafted from durable, food-safe PET material, it's crystal clear, sturdy, and effortless to clean. Perfect for refrigerators, kitchen counters, RVs, and camping trips, this space-saving organizer adds both function and style to your storage. Number 17. Dandat 12 Silicone Collapsible Food Storage Containers. These collapsible silicone food storage containers make organizing and storing meals easier than ever. The set includes 12 containers in both round and rectangular shapes, offering multiple sizes from 12 ounces to 41 ounces for all kinds of food. The airtight lids with silicone seals prevent leaks, while the vented design allows for safe microwave heating. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, these reusable containers are perfect for meal prep, leftovers, camping, and travel. Number 18. Generic Pullout Double or Single Tier Dish Rack. Transform your kitchen with this smart pull-out dish rack, designed to maximize storage and keep your space organized. The double-tier design provides extra room for plates, bowls, and cookware, while the sturdy carbon steel frame ensures long-lasting durability and rust resistance. Number 19. Sauber Stackable Shelves for Cabinets. Featuring a sturdy, clear design with foldable metal legs, these stackable shelves help you make the most of your kitchen, bathroom, or pantry space. Perfect for holding dishes, spices, mugs, cleaning supplies, or toiletries, they're a simple way to declutter and create extra vertical storage. No assembly needed, just unfold, stack, and enjoy a neat, organized space that fits your lifestyle. Number 20. Viratech Rice Storage Container. Bring smart organization to your pantry with this airtight kitchen storage container, perfect for rice, beans, flour, sugar, coffee, snacks, or even pet food. Designed with a pourable spout and measuring cup, it lets you pour and measure with ease and accuracy. Made from BPA-free, food-grade, and heat-resistant plastic, it's built to last while keeping your food fresh and dry. Its slim, transparent design saves space and makes it easy to see what's inside, and the strong buckles ensure a tight, moisture-proof seal every time. Number 21. KXS GKRR2 PC Pot and Pan Organizer. Transform your kitchen with this extendable pots and pans organizer, the perfect solution to keep cookware neat and accessible. With a flexible design that expands from 12 to 22 inches and 10 adjustable dividers, it easily fits your pots, lids, baking sheets, and cutting boards of all sizes. Built from sturdy abs and stainless steel rods, it offers strong, stable support, while the U-shaped grooves hold lids securely in place. No tools needed, just adjust, insert, and organize in minutes for a clutter-free, efficient kitchen setup. Number 22. Vicushion Cutting Board Organizer. Organize your kitchen with this sturdy and space-saving baking tray rack, designed with 5 compartments to neatly store baking sheets, trays, and cutting boards up to 1.2 inches wide. Number 23. Kurta Stainless Steel Serving Trolley. Bring strength and smooth mobility to your workspace with our stainless steel utility cart, built to handle up to 200 pounds with durable steel construction and reinforced joints for lasting stability. Quiet, lockable TPR casters ensure effortless movement and secure placement, while the 3-tier adjustable design with a removable shelf offers flexible storage. Each shelf includes soundproof mats and raised edges to prevent noise and spills. Easy to assemble and scratch-resistant, it's the perfect choice for kitchens, salons, or any busy workspace. Number 24. Sizzly Kitchen Sink Caddy Organizer. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, the Sizzly Kitchen Sink Organizer offers durability, rust resistance, and 100% quality control. Its automatic drainage system with a slope design keeps sponges dry and reduces cleaning time. The 3-section layout neatly stores sponges, brushes, and dish soaps, keeping your sink area organized. With no installation needed and easy cleaning under running water, it's perfect for kitchens or bathroom. Number 25, Zillini 4 pieces metal wire basket with wooden handles. These metal wire baskets feature durable mesh walls and smooth wooden handles for easy carrying and long-lasting use. The breathable design keeps items visible and fresh, while the stackable set of 4, 9x 6.7x 3.9 inches saves space and meets all your storage needs. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and pantries, they neatly organize food, toiletries, toys, and more, keeping your space tidy and stylish. All the product links discussed in this video are mentioned in the description below, so make sure to check them out.